All right, Jimmy. Good work this week.
Oh yeah, those turned out sharp.
Restored this hammer.
Looking good.
And this was very rusty. Looked like it was pretty much a goner. Put a new handle on it. And this handle is Persimmon.
You don't see that much.
You don't see it. Usually handles are Hickory, but
right.
I think this is going to be very sturdy and pretty too.
Yes. Yes, I did.
You also restored this hammer. And you've had this for a while, right?
I like it. Yes.
Yeah,
They're
great
nice.
job. Great job. I like the blue.
Right? It's my favorite color.
Yep. Awesome.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Hey guys, got a bunch of old hammers here. And I'm going to pick a couple of these and restore them. So, what does that mean? I don't know until I watch some YouTube videos of guys who know how to restore hammers. Stick around, I'll show you what I come up with. What are these? I should say I do not know. I really like this one. I like the weight of it. Alright, so how well did this Evapo-Rust work? It's my first time using it. I've seen some of my YouTube friends online use it and have great results, so very hopeful. It's actually been around, I'd say 18 hours that it's been in here. Let's pull these out and see how they look. That water is very dark in there, so I know it's done a lot of work here. A lot of stuff coming off. That looks pretty clean to me. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to hit the ones of these that I'm happy with a little bit of WD-40 here and make sure that they don't rust.
You have been watching the Patrick Parson Workshop, which we hope you have found informative. In the comments section below, please share your thoughts, questions, and any ideas you may want us to address in the future. Also, why not consider subscribing to the channel, as every week we will have something new for you, and we would surely hate for you to miss it. As always, thanks for watching Patrick Parson Workshop.